Getting your driver's permit? Here's what it looks like. When you pass your written exam, you'll receive two important documents: your passing receipt and your official driver's permit. But they are not the same thing. Many students mistake their passing receipt for their permit because it lists a permit number. But the receipt is only proof that you passed. It is not valid for driving lessons. Your official permit is a small blue slip that includes your facility control number. This is the document you must have with you for your behind-the-wheel lessons. Please double-check that you have your blue permit before scheduling or attending any lessons. If you only have your passing receipt, you'll need to return to the facility to get your official permit. Knowing what your permit looks like helps keep your training on track and prevents late cancellations or rescheduling. Need a reminder? Scan the QR code or ask your office for a flyer.